This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings because that's where the clock source is live. Tap Settings, then General to view date and time. You need network access for automatic updates, so make sure Wi-Fi or cellular shows connected. If you plan to change screen time restrictions later, have your Apple ID and any screen time passcode available. This prevents being blocked from altering time-related settings. Next, proceed to date and time to choose automatic sync or manual override, and understand why you'd pick one. In general, tap date and time. Once there, notice the set automatically toggle. If you want iPad to follow your network provider or location for accuracy, leave it on. To manually set the clock, switch set automatically off. This allows you to tap the time and date fields. Choose the correct time zone first, because changing zone adjusts all events, then set the time. Make sure the 24-hour setting is how you prefer it, and double-check scheduled alarms and calendar entries after changes. Once done, exit settings and confirm the home screen clock matches your expectation. If it's off, restart the iPad to force a refresh. If automatic time zone still misbehaves, enable location services for system services so the device can detect your region. Alternatively, set the zone manually. If screen time block changes, sign in with the Apple ID used for screen time or reset that passcode via Apple's recovery if needed. If problems persist, a system update often fixes sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.